Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a group in Snapchat. So let's continue to Snapchat. After going to Snapchat, you can see in the bottom second left chat icon. Click on this. After clicking this, you can see in the bottom right round blue button. Click on the round blue button. After clicking, you can see a search bar here. Under the search bar, you can see a new group option. Click on this. After clicking this, you can add friends to your group. You need to add at least 2 friends. After adding friends, you can see a chat with group option in the bottom blue button. Click on this. After clicking this, the group is created. So guys, this is how can you create a group in Snapchat. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.